welcome to my channel. See how I'm mechanic.
Alright, here we got a 2016 Toyota RAV4. Radio not working, backup camera not working. As you can see, the key is on. There's no power at all. Alright, so we're gonna come to the engine. Gonna come right here to the relay box next to the battery, because there's another one over there. The one next to the battery here. Got two taps, one here, one in the back. I'm gonna lift this up. And the fuse you wanna change, it's gonna be the one that says radio right there. 20 amp, which it will be the one back there in the corner. So I'm gonna grab that out. You can see right there, it's burned. Put it right there. I'm gonna grab one of the extra one, the spare. Drop it in the hole. Push it down. Now we go inside. As you can see, it's on. It's coming on. Just gotta wait for it. Alright, there you go. Pull reverse is good. So there you have it. Hope this video helped you. Like always, please subscribe, like and share. See you in the next one.